Dearest gentle viewers and esteemed guests of the Grand Deployment Ball, the cloud season is upon us, and I must confess, I'm absolutely scandalized by the behavior I see on the dance floor tonight. Just look at that new microservice over there. He claims to be a tutor of hybriding, written in Rust, wrapped in Docker. But the poor dear has absolutely no manners. He tried to solicit me over HTTP, unencrypted. Can you imagine how pedestrian? In polite society, we only engage via HTTPS, TLS 1.3 when you have manners. To approach a lady without encryption, it's simple vulgar. But he is not the only one lacking decorum. I spotted Lord Database in the corner. He seemed far too welcoming. I took a peek at his security group, and I nearly fainted. Port 5432 was open to the entire internet. He's inviting everyone in. Such loose morals. He's positively promiscuous. In my day, we kept our ports closed, reserved only for whitelisted IPs, private subnet, security group to security group, no public dance floor. But today, it's just wild abandonment. And poor old Lord Jenkins. A distinguished gentleman, to be sure, but I fear he has lost his wits. He committed his secrets in plain text. Right there in the public Git repository. It is social suicide. If the Queen of Security hears of this, it will be off with his head. Or should I say, terminate his instance. But all those indiscretions are mere trifles compared to this. And now, for the scandal of the week, clutch your pearls, for this news might cause you to faint. Have you heard about the young lady S3 bucket? From the noble family of AWS? Yesterday, she stepped out into the internet completely exposed. Yes! Public access was enabled. She had no bucket policy to cover her modesty. Any commoner with a browser could see her objects. I heard even the sysadmins blushed when they saw the logs. The shame brought upon her poor father, the root account, who quite frankly should almost never be used, only for emergencies. Dearest developers, don't think you can hide from me in the crowd. I see every commit, I read every pull request, and if you attempt to merge that dirty code without a proper review, you will not just be rejected from the build, you will be socially ruined. Cover your buckets, encrypt your volumes, and for heaven's sake, use multi-factor authentication, or you shall remain deprecated. Now, if you wish to secure your invitation to the next deployment ball, you simply must subscribe. And for the truly private scandals, meet me in the drawing room, or as you call it, Discord. The tea there is hot, and the logs are delightfully dirty. Make haste, Lady DevOps Pink does not like to wait. Ciao!